Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing a new product from Tarte. This is the new Sketch and Set brow pencil and tinted gel. So I went to Sephora and I wanted to see what was new at Sephora. I did do a vlog. Some of you guys saw it, and I did purchase this brow pencil and I wanted to do a review on it because I just thought it was interesting because it came with a pencil on one side and then on the other side it had the tinted brow gel. So I thought that was pretty cool because 2-in-1 products are sometimes like really nice to travel with, and it also saves some time. So I really just wanted to try out the product and let you guys know what I think about it. So I am also going to be showing you guys a demonstration using the brown pencil. I don't have anything on my brows right now. By the way, I am loving my makeup today. Anyways, it came in this box right here. It's pink and it has like a rose gold. I really like the packaging, and I got the shade dark brown. So this is for medium and dark brown hair. That's what it says right here. They have different shades online. The packaging is so cute. It is pink. So the brow pencil and gel is $24. Online it says that it is a 2-in-1 vegan brow pencil and tinted gel. It says the full-size ultra slim pencil with micro tip precisely fills in eyebrows with hair-like stroke, while the tinted gel nails down brows, keeping them in place all day long. It says that it is babasu infused to condition brow hair and leaves brows soft, never crunchy. It has a 12-hour wear, waterproof, smudge proof, and sweat proof. So I've actually been using this brow pencil and gel for about a week now. So I'll just swatch it here on the back of my hand for you guys really quick. It is definitely a dark brown shade. It's not a very creamy formula is what I noticed about the pencil side. So it actually helps to create like those hair-like strokes because it's not so creamy that it gets messy or the lines go on thicker because of the formula being so creamy. So I actually like that in a brow pencil. I don't like the formula of the pencil to be too creamy because sometimes it can get really messy. For the gel, you do twist it, and then it has the little brush. The little brush is tiny. I love that because it is so small. I really like brushes that are this small for a brow gel. This is how my eyebrows look right now. I just want to let you guys know that I have gotten them microbladed. They do still have some of that shading, but it's fading away. So that's why I have to fill in my eyebrows now because I need to go back and get a retouch. I don't know when I'm gonna go back, but in the meantime, I'm using, brow pencils and brow products to fill in my brows wherever they need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my right brow first, and I'm gonna use the pencil side. So I usually just kind of brush my brows with my finger, or I use a spoolie or something, but then I just go in with a pencil, and with a light hand I just try to create these like hair-like strokes. Do that and fill them in. And then in the front, I will just go with like really light hand. Alright, so that is filled in with the pencil. That was actually pretty quick. I feel like I don't do my brows that fast ever. Now I'm going to use the tinted brow gel side. This tinted brow gel is really pigmented, so I like to kind of remove some of the excess in the tube from the applicator because it is really pigmented. So I will go with a really light hand. But this brow gel, oh my god, you guys, it really holds your eyebrows in shape. As soon as I put this brow gel, like, my brows do not move at all. So you can definitely use this to kind of brush the hairs upward. So because it's so pigmented, I did get a little extra of the brow gel right there, which I don't want that. So I will go in with either a beauty blender or like a concealer brush and kind of just clean that up. And then I will go right here and then just clean it up a little bit if I need to. And just around the edges. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I mean, that's all I do. It was really quick, so it just makes it easier to not have to like go back and grab another product. So that's the difference from one eyebrow to the other. Just love how my eyebrows look when I have them filled in. It brings together the whole makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow. So this is the final results of the tinted brow gel. So since I've been using this, I do notice that it does last a really long time. I really like this product. I like that it's a 2-in-1. It also includes Amazonian clay and vitamin E. So I definitely really like this product, especially because it's vegan and cruelty free and it actually works really well. And I would love to just travel with this. The only thing I will say is that the tinted brow gel side might be just a tad bit dark for me. Sometimes I do like more of a softer brow, so I go maybe like a shade lighter than my actual brow color. I might go with a lighter shade, but I can still work with this one. I just have to use a really light hand with the brow gel and not apply too much, because then it is gonna make my brows look really bold and dark, and I don't want that, so that they look a little bit more natural. But overall, I really like the results, and I would definitely recommend this product to you guys. So I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I'm really glad that I tried it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.